My name is Subhan. I'm from Bihar. My district name is Kishanganj. Basically, I'm from madrasa background, and madrasa I have got all degrees from madrasa, right? Like Hifz, I'm Hafiz, and after that I completed Qiraat course. You can say in Urdu Qari. After that, I have completed Fadila course. Fadila means Alim course, and after that I completed adab and ifta course. Ifta, it means you can say mufti. So as you know, uh, after completing the education from madrasa background, I was feeling hesitation how I face the people without English language. So I took admission in a department of English language. This department was in madrasa, but unfortunately I have completed only 1 year in this department, and I have learned only a 6 month and 7 minute department about English language. So in this 7 or 6 months I learned what I wanted to learn. That is enough. So if I talk about my family background, so there are 10 members in my family, and I have 5 brothers and 3 sisters. I am younger brother, and my hobbies are reciting the Holy Quran, and playing cricket also, and watching motivational video and helping poor and needy people. So that's all about mine. So tell me about yourself.
Okay, so sounds really good. So
Thank
you
you.
have, yeah, you have completed many things in your life. You have achieved many things in your life. So,
Definitely, definitely.
so as you told me that, yeah, you have complete Kari and also like many courses you have completed. It is
Yeah, yeah,
related to, yeah, it's really commendable. I think, yeah. So now it's my turn. So
yeah.
yeah, I am really curious to like tell like told like to introduce myself. So my name is
Okay.
Danish, and currently I live in Delhi. But originally I belong to UP district Badaयूं. But before I used to live in a village. At that time I didn't focus my study, and I used to play with my friends all day. So at that time,
Oh,
my parents decided to took me to the city. So one day, my father took me to the city with my all the family. So since then, I have been living in a Delhi. Yeah, talking about my education. So I have done my graduation from University of Delhi in Bachelor of Art, and also yeah. When it comes to my hobbies, so I like to watch movies in English. I really like, and also I like to watch some video on YouTube which are related to English. And also, yeah, it helps me a lot to improve my communication skills.
yes.
So that's all about me. And also, I
Very
am
good.
looking for
Very.
a job. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. First, so to begin with, I would like to thank you for having me this opportunity, to giving me this opportunity, because I haven't much knowledge about English language, but these days I'm learning more and more. I'm trying to speak English language. Uh, I used to speak broken English before 2 months without practice. When I start to practice English language, so definitely I am able to speak English with anyone without hesitation. Because I have been speaking practice, I have been speaking English language for 3 and 4 months. Before 3 and 4 months, I had learned only. I did not practice. I know I am not used to practice English language with anyone. I was feeling shy. What will people say me? Oh by God, you are Molvi. Why you became Angrez? So I I was feeling shy to speak English with anyone. But when I thought I'm learning English language apart from that, so why I'm feeling shy? Why will I feel shy? So I left everything, and I started to learn English language. I started to practice English language, and I started to also make video. So definitely whenever people will see me, so they will not see like they used to say me, you became Angrez, you are Molvi, so you stay Molvi, don't become Angrez. So brother, so
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, this is
Actually, you know na,
this is people.
yeah, yeah, in this generation may mostly like this Molvi, they don't learn English language, you know. They are thinking the madrasa education is enough for us. But I think the madrasa education is not enough for us, because if we have knowledge about English language, we can send the message of God, we can send the message of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to the world, to the people. So English, it will be helpful for us to send the message of God. English will be source of send the message of God to the world. So I think if I send the message of God to the world, so my message will be dawa inshallah, and Allah will give me reward when I send the message for with the help of English language to those people. They don't know Arabic language, but they know English language, but they don't know Islam. But if I will explain Islam in English language, definitely my message will be dawa, and Allah will give me sawab inshallah, give me reward inshallah. I thought.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
are doing really great work. So you want to
Thank you.
spread Islam with the help of English. Am I right?
Inshallah, inshallah. Yeah, you
So
are
yeah,
right.
really great. It's really great if you want to spread Islam with the help of English, because English is a global language. That's why you want to learn.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Definitely, definitely.
every country, every field, everywhere, like people can understand English, people can speak, people can understand easily. So we can communicate
Yes,
with everyone with the help of English. So that's why it is really necessary. It is really important in our life, because
yes,
English
yes,
made English made a history, and we can say English is not like it's different. All the language, it is different. So in
yes,
India,
yes,
especially India, like who are belongs to Tamil Nadu, who are belongs to Rajasthan, who are belongs to, so their native language different. But if
yes, yes,
they can speak in English, so they can communicate with you easily. So this is that's why,
definitely.
yeah. Because yeah, it's a nowadays it's a it's become a you. I can't I can't say in word. Like what kind of like English? What the position now?
Yes, yes, definitely.
Yeah, you
So,
have
Mr.
like you.
Danish, can you tell me? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let you finish. Finish.
So you have been learning for 3 months, for 3 months or 4 months. Okay, so
Yes,
how
yes.
much improvement have you got? How much improvement have you got already by learning
Yeah, yeah,
English?
yeah.
Because at that time
Yeah, actually,
you were you were not able to speak English, but now you can communicate with people easily.
yeah, 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 yeah. Right. Definitely, definitely. I'm not able to speak English fluently with people, but I'm trying to more and more speak English language with people. Actually, when I was in beginner, I used to small sentences like I go, I come, you go, you can go, and like this. But when I thought that is it is compulsory for our life, but it is not compulsory for dawa. So it is not enough for our for dawa. So right now basically mostly I try to read Quran with translate. So whenever I recite the Holy Quran with the help of English language, with the translate of English language, so I found many things in English language. So how can I convey the message of God in the world? How can I convey the message of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to the world in English language? So I try to read Quran with translate in English language. So it is helpful for me to convey the message of God to the world.
Mhm.
But
Yeah.
I don't think is कि I meet every time with those people. They know, they want to know about English, about Islam. But I think sometime I can meet for with those people. They want to another thing like I am speaking many with many non-Muslim, but they are not discussing about Islam, but are discussing about his personal life, like what I do, what should I do, how can I improve our English, how can I build confidence in ourselves. So like this. So because I'm speaking on a Skype to break hesitation, to build confidence, and to be fluent in English language.
Oh, really, that's great.
Yeah.
So what did you ask? You can ask now.
Yeah, okay. So, what is your journey? Why are you learning English language? What is your real purpose? And what is your major purpose? How did you take life this step about English language?
Yeah, because first I want to say, like what I believe is that first I want to do a job in reputed company. I want to make my career
Okay.
in any reputed company in corporate sector. That's why I want to learn English. Second, when I started my English journey, at that time I took a admission in American Institute. So at that time I didn't
Wow.
learn many things. I didn't learn many things because they didn't give
Oh,
a chance to speak in front of people. They just provided me uh, only basic. You just follow this and you speak in front of mirror. You can follow this kind of rules. So you will become
yes.
a good speaker. But they didn't chance. Sometimes they did chance to speak in front of anyone. So at that time, yeah, after that, I didn't continue my study and I didn't continue my English journey because at that time, some of my reason because I don't want to share because those were my reasons at that time. So that at that time, I had to quit my study. So that's why now 3 months, before 3 months ago, I started again my English journey. So I also have faced two interview to a company. One when I was faced my one interview at that time I got rejected because at that time I
Wow. Very good.
was
Very good.
feeling nervous and like at that time I felt diffident, ancient. So yeah, I can speak, but I don't know how to speak in proper way. What is the way? What is the flow? What is the communication skills? And what is the pronunciation, like how to pronounce the word. So at that time I rejected, but when I faced my second interview I got selected, but it's too far
Mashallah.
from my house. Yeah, it's too far from my house. That's why I rejected their offer.
Whoa.
Yeah, so now
Okay.
I
Okay.
am
Okay. Okay.
looking for a
Very good.
job
Very good.
which is suitable
So
for me, better for me. I will definitely do. So that's my journey.
so so that's why. So you had already you had got already many opportunity with the help of English. Okay, am I right, brother? What will you say for those people? They are Maulvi, they are Mufti, they are Hafiz, and they have completed education from madrasa background, but they don't think to learn English language. So what do you think about those people? So send
Yeah.
them message. Definitely, I will upload this video on my YouTube channel.
Okay,
Tell me.
first of all, I think what I believe is that it depends person to person, first of all, because what kind of
Okay. Yeah.
situation
Yeah.
do you
Yes.
have? or what kind of problem you facing right now. So it depend person to person first of all. Like if you want to learn English, if you are interested to learn English, if you want to eager to learn English, so you can learn because there is no limit, there is no any way who can, like it can your it can't stop you. So first, if you want to learn or it is necessary to learn, it is important in your life. So you definitely learn. First, you have to adapt this language. You have to live this language. After that, you can learn. If you think about it is really hard language or it is not our native language, so you can't learn. You know
Yes, yeah,
why?
definitely, definitely.
People thinking is like another. If you whenever you live this language, whenever you adapt this language, now you think that I have to do it and I have to learn this language.
Yes,
After that you
definitely.
can learn because you
Yes,
have
yes.
to make a schedule in your life, in your day-to-day life. You have to follow this and you have to follow those method in your life, like those like some kind of people who use some kind of method like mirror technique or who
Yes,
record
yes,
their
yes.
video, who listen video and who practice whenever they alone or like they talk with someone. So
Yes,
like
yes.
they have different types of thinking. But if you are Molvi or some kind of problem mufti or it doesn't matter. If you really want to learn
Yes.
English, so you can learn or you can spread your Islam in better way because you know English
Yes,
is the
yes,
global
yes.
language. English is the
Yeah,
global
yeah,
language.
definitely, definitely.
Anyone can understand. So that's why you
Yes.
have to learn. You can spread your
Very good.
Islam in better way
Yeah,
all
yeah,
over
yeah,
the.
yeah, yeah, really, really.
That's why I think in my opinion, uh, like any mufti, any Maulvi wants to learn English because
Yeah, yeah, really, really, yeah,
with the
really. And
help
you
of
means
English.
we should not, yeah, you
Hmm.
means we should not stop our learning process. Am I right?
Hmm.
We should learn more and more in our life whenever we get free time. Am I right?
Hmm.
So very
Yes.
good and nice to call you brother
Background.
script here.
So
Brother,
like
it is
right
not
now using the background.
it is not reality, it is editing.
Yeah, yeah. That's why I'm asking. It is a yeah, it is a fake background because I can see
Yes.
there is some
Yeah, yeah.
there is some
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
something
yeah.
else. So I can see. Yeah. Okay, that's
Yesterday
great.
I
And
yesterday I was speaking, I was having conversation with anyone. So he was from Oman. He was telling me that you are from out countries, and I am not out country from, but I am from India. So your background is different. It is editing, brother. Okay, brother. Nice to call
thank you.
you. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.
Have a Walaikum
Thank
salam.
you.
Thank you.